Yo, what is up, everybody? Finally getting back to doing another DoorDash video. I haven't done one of these in probably like half a year. It's about 5:10 right now. I'm gonna go up and get some gas, fill up, so I can fill up again at the end of the night and show you guys exactly how much I used in gas. I'm guessing it won't be more than $3 or $4 if we go like 100 miles, but we'll see. We'll do that at the end of the night. So yeah, gonna be making money on the motorcycle today, and I always get this question. I've done about 2 of these videos before, and I always get the question of what you need to get started. Everyone usually asks about the bag and the phone mount, and that's pretty much all you need beside the motorcycle. The phone mount I use is a RAM mount. Before I used just a small little Chinese cheap $10 or $12 Amazon mount, and it worked all right, but I got the RAM mount and I just like it a lot better. So that's what I'm using. I'll link that in the description. And the bag I use is off Postmates. I do believe Uber bought Postmates though, so I don't think this bag is sold anymore, but it's nice. It's I'll show it here in a little bit if I remember. It's I think it's like 14 inches by 14 inches. It's kind of a box size, box shaped backpack, and it's got little dividers in there with like little Velcro strips, so that helps you divide it. If you have like drinks or something, you can kind of put them off into a smaller section and keeps them tied up in there. And I haven't had one spill yet, so I'll link the closest bag I could find off Amazon. I'll link in the description. It seems to be just about the same because they don't sell this one anymore. All right, y'all, just filled it up. It was like $4.50 for 1.1 gallons to top her off to start off the day. And I just accepted my first order for a little barbecue spot. And it was, the order said it was $8 for 5 miles, so we're gonna go ahead and pick that up. And just a tip, I'm using both DoorDash and Uber Eats, and usually I'll kind of like, once I get an order, I'll kind of turn off the other app while I'm submitting that order, just so I don't keep getting notifications for orders while I'm doing one job already. But a little bit of traffic here, but we're pretty close to the spot. But I was gonna say, I declined one order before that. It was for $7.25 for like 4.7 miles, so pretty similar rate. But I looked where I was going to be delivering to, and it was kind of down a country road, not quite where I would want to end up. So that's something to take in mind too, or take into account too, is where it's going to end you up. You'd rather end up in a little more busy zone than out in the middle of nowhere. All right, that one took a little minute, but we got it. First delivery completed. Good to get that one out of the way. Hopefully they start flowing a little better. All right, the total on that one was actually $8.75, so 75 cents higher than what it showed. So that makes up for a little bit. Let's get us another order here though. 44 miles from Walmart? Holy cow, definitely not. Just took a $6.25 order for, it said it was 4 miles, so damn, 27.5 miles Walmart order? Definitely not. I don't want these Walmart orders. Gotta go offline here. All right. Order is picked up from the Jamaican Grill, saying 8 minutes to the destination. Let's do it. All right, coming up to the apartment we're gonna deliver this to. 6423, that's us. All right. All right, that one's done. Let's see how much we got. Oof. That was a no tip. 0 tip. $6.25 though. Not horrible. Because we didn't go that far. But damn, didn't expect that. All right, let's get the next one. $8.50 for 8 miles. No. All right, $11.50 for 8 miles. I think we're gonna do this one. Not great, but not horrible. It's currently 6:19. Let's see how long this order takes us. Copper. All right, we got our order. We got it picked up. That one was weird. It said Duke Sauce Shack for the pickup location. I thought that was like a restaurant or something, but it must be like a virtual restaurant inside of PDQ, because it was actually PDQ. I hate when places do that. Like for Mr. Beast, he'll have like a Mr. Beast burger, and it's like a virtual burger that they sell from other restaurants. So it's kind of just throws you for a loop there. But we got it. And now we got 7 miles for this order. And it's taking us towards downtown, which could be a good thing. Sometimes downtown is pretty hot for orders, and since it's kind of more compact, they're like usually shorter distances too, but we'll see how it goes. All right, it is now 6:42 and we're pulling up to the house where we're delivering this, so not too bad. All right, let's see what that total came out to. $11.50, so not bad. That's pretty good actually. Went a decent little ways, but $8 tip. That's pretty good. I just think the base pay should have been a little higher. Dude, all Uber's giving me is all these Walmart orders today. It's horrible. Ooh, we're gonna take that $10.50 order for 2 miles for sure. We made it. All right, easy quick pickup there. Now we got just less than a mile to deliver it, so super easy, good order here. All right, let's get it. All right, that was the easy delivery. I think it said it was for $10.50, but Uber tips take a minute to load in. Let's see what we get next. DGK $6.50 includes DoorDash pay and customer tips. Total may be higher. Shop for items. 1 item. Do we want to do this? I guess so. 1 mile total. Might as well. Yo, look at this house. What is going on with this house? They got just a door right here. A freaking Tyrannosaurus Rex. Putin is evil. Huh. Interesting. Alright, on to do this order. I think we have to shop for the items, but it said it was a 1 mile total, so not too bad if we can find the item quick. I guess DJK might be like or DGK may be like a convenience store of some sorts. We are about to find out. All right, well that was a bit of a waste of time. They were out of the 8 count, of course, so moving on to the next. All right, picked up a 3 mile order for $6.50 from some city marketplace. We'll see how that goes since they were out of the AA batteries at that other spot. So I wasted my time. Whew, that one took a little longer than I would have liked, like 5 minutes past the pickup time. It was like a straight up bar in there with a lot going on, so busy place, took a minute, but we got the food. Let's go. All right, be nice if we got a little more than $6.50, but I doubt it. Oh yeah, we did. Tip $5.50, got a total of 8. That makes it a little better. All right, didn't get it on video, but just accepted an order for Jersey Mike's. I think it was for like $5.50, $6.50, something like that. The GoPro is kind of spazzing out there on the last few battery percentages of that battery, but I changed it out, and also my mic fell out. Hopefully that happened just when I took off my helmet there. So, but put the mic back on, got a new battery in, and we got 2.8 miles to deliver this Jersey Mike's. Alright, just delivered that one for a $5.50 total. And see this one for $10 for 6.2 miles. We'll go ahead and do it. Might as well. Yeah, that one took us on campus over here. Woo, sun's going down. Time check. It is 8:11. Doing alright so far. Not great, but doing alright. But we'll see. I don't know how late I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna try to go to at least 10, because I think there's a peak pay that starts at like 9. It may start only at like 9:30, but we'll see how far I go. I'd like to make at least 100. Alrighty, food acquired. Now we got 5 miles to deliver it. I didn't think it was that far of a delivery, but it is what it is. Let's get it. 425, here we are. Houses are nice. They're like brand new. Boom. Ooh, $11.25. $1.25 more than it said. I'll take it. Okay, $6.50 for 3.3 miles. Sure, we haven't gotten anything in a minute, so might as well take it. Had to come like probably 2 or 3 miles back into town from that last order. Wasn't really getting anything out there. Alright, looks like we're pretty close to this restaurant though. Less than a mile. Let's get it. Yeah, I think she fits in the bike. Little bike spot right here. Got our order. Ready to go. How far do we got? 2 miles, 2.5 miles. Yeah, we're like right in the heart of downtown right now. It's pretty cool. Alright, that one was a little weird because there was some like little weird screen to get into the building, and it said hit 150 or whatever to get in there, and I tried that and I couldn't get in there. So a little weird on that one, but luckily someone came up. I didn't have to wait more than like a minute, and someone else came up to get in the building and let me in. So ones like that where you have to like go into a downtown weird little yeah, I don't know, those ones are a little annoying, but made it happen pretty quick. So picked up another, got $7 on that order, picked up another order for some cookies or something that's like less than 1.5 miles. So this should be a real easy one, I hope so. Alright, cookies acquired. Let's deliver them. 0.3 miles. And I think it's a house, which I much prefer houses than apartments. Especially like downtown apartments where you have to like walk in there. That's just Hopefully I didn't speak too soon. This might be an apartment complex. Yup, I spoke too soon. Alright, yeah, I did speak too soon on that last one. It was not a house, so that was a little bit, actually that wasn't that bad. That was pretty quick and easy. But I just picked up another one for, I think it said $12.75, and this one's gonna take me back towards home. So getting out of the downtown area, getting a little bit back towards home. It's about 9:50. It's 9:15 right now, so we'll see if the orders still keep rolling. Boom, and back we go. We got like an 8-mile ride at least. Let's see. Yeah, 8.8 miles. That's a long ride. We'll see. Maybe it'll be more than $12.75. We'll see. We'll see. Whew, we made it, boys. That was a little bit of a trek. Nope, but still, that's pretty good. $12.75, $9 tip. $3.75 base pay is bullshit, though. Tell you that for like 8.8 miles. Ooh, I was about to go in, but $2 peak pay for 2 hours. Might have to do 1 or 2 more. Let's see what we can get. Alright, y'all, I've kind of just been going in the direction of home because I haven't really got any orders. Well, I just got an Uber request, $2.50. No. So I might gas up here in a minute, and I'll show you how much we spend on gas. I might give it just another minute or two, see if we get an order. Alright, y'all, just added everything up from Uber and DoorDash, and it comes up to $87.87. And we went from, I think about after we got gas, it was probably about 5:20, 5:30, and we stopped at 9:40. So just over 4 hours, and that's averaging just over $20 an hour before we get gas. We're about to see how much we spend on gas here, though. Completely full, 0.7 gallons, $2.96. Gas at $4.19 a gallon, or basically $4.20 a gallon. And that's why you gotta love dashing on the Z right there. And we started at 5,275 miles and ended at 5,339 miles. So we put 64 miles on the Z. And I would have liked to go on a few more with that peak pay, but I didn't really get any orders. I didn't try for super long or anything, but I also have to be up early tomorrow. So that was a good little session though for 4 hours, or 4 hours and 10 minutes, or whatever it was. $87.87 minus whatever it was, $2 and something on gas. Pretty good. So if y'all enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like on the video, and let me know if you guys want to see more of these. I know a lot of people missed them, so definitely leave a comment if you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna try to get them more out. I'm gonna try to get more of them out now that it's back warm again, and I'm able to get out on the motorcycle and do this when I have some free time, just as on the side. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.